Hi everyone, with me today I have this 2-in-1 hair straightener. So I've been curling my hair with a hair straightener since I can remember, and it is super easy for me to do it, so I definitely wanted to invest in something like this, and here it is. It is super sleek. I absolutely think it is a gorgeous product, so I'm going to get it out and show you what that looks like. So right out of the packaging, you're going to get a user manual. They're going to send you 2 hair clips, which is great to keep hair out of your face while you're straightening it, and of course a little protective glove. This is awesome if you're a beginner and you can't handle the heat, or if you're a pro and you like these gloves. I personally don't use them as often as I used to, but it is definitely a good precaution, and check this out. It is such a sleek hair straightener. It looks great. I really like that the top doesn't end with these plates. What happens when it does is that you can burn yourself easily when you're trying to hold on to the tip, so that's incredible. I really like it. Check it out. You have a little display right here. I'm going to test it out on my hair and show you how that ends up, but I definitely recommend you check these out on Amazon. They're an amazing brand and their product is just as incredible.